Hello, my name is Ishan Sinha. My partners' names are Disha Singh, Jacob Frumkin, and Robert Burris. And today we are going to demonstrate our product, Opex, your smart eye in the cloud.
Organizations open across the country during this pandemic were increasing the risk of outbreaks. On-location activity is particularly important for students who need real-time communication and employees that are subject to specific compliance monitoring. In the event of an outbreak, an organization may not be able to accurately identify every individual at risk and in turn can be forced to shut down completely. There's a huge opportunity cost due to a loss of learning opportunity and progress from shutdowns, as well as putting millions of lives at risk across the country and across the world. The ability to control an outbreak and immediately trace down who should quarantine is crucial. Recent studies have shown that 80% of transmissions can be prevented through immediate contact tracing. Manual contact tracing can take days. Apps to help with contact tracing aren't working either, because less than 50% of Americans report willingness to use the software. Our technology can be used to help determine which students and individuals to send home and how to predict when an outbreak will happen. In this problem, we developed a two-pronged solution. The first is our occupancy detection software. Recent headlines have shown that reopening universities are fueling the nation's largest outbreaks. As such, colleges are scrambling to find ways to prevent large congregations of students. Our technology can be used to help schools and other workplaces make data-driven decisions, such as what areas to monitor and how to enforce social distancing measures. Currently, we have deployed this technology at Interlake High School, just a few miles from Microsoft's Redmond headquarters, and are in talks with the University of Washington and Washington State University.
This is a quick demo of our occupancy detection solution. In a school setting, administration will be notified if the occupancy rises above set levels. The full 15-minute demo is available at the bottom of our dev post submission.
This is a visual representation of the Azure machine learning model processing Bluetooth signals to determine how many people are in a room. The lines highlighted in blue and yellow have been identified in this demonstration. The second part of our solution is a contact tracing feature. Through this, organizations will be able to access a database of contacts between individuals in case an employee reports having COVID. Opex uses Bluetooth technology for our trilateration software. Institutions will have access to a database of pertinent information, allowing them to make informed decisions for the well-being of their employees and students.
Our Opex software can effectively triangulate the location of a beacon with the receiver's range. When a bank queries for an interaction at a certain time, the data is accessed through secure data logs. Our software is configurable with multiple receivers and multiple beacons.
Opex's contact tracing software operates in 4 steps. First, our beacons advertise Bluetooth signals. Second, these signals are detected by wave scanners. Third, these readings are sent to the cloud and inserted into our SQL database. Finally, Opex's proprietary deep learning model leverages Azure machine learning to evaluate distance values based on these readings. Using triangulation, we can accurately determine user interactions and communicate this on Opex's connected platform. This is the user interface that banks will have access to. If I log in through a user account, I'll have access to data pertinent to my workplace and I, including our risk for getting COVID, risk for breaching social distancing measures, and overall level of safety. Furthermore, I will be able to see a live data feed of the occupancy of a room and view how many individuals have worked in there. The admin page will allow COVID response teams to efficiently control an outbreak. Beyond the information available to all employees, our secure admin interface provides the number of users and rooms. Furthermore, Opex supplies a live data feed of all employee health status, COVID risk, and contact risk. Both employees and administrators have the ability to report a COVID infection. Thank you for listening to our presentation. If you have any other questions, please reach out to Jacob or I through DevPost. We thoroughly enjoyed learning about Azure AI services through this project and plan to apply the technology in future work.